global technology giants are resisting efforts by India's telecom networks to impose stricter regulations on internet services. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The telecom networks argue that imposing stricter regulations on internet services are necessary to create a level playing field and address national security concerns. However, the tech companies represented by the Asia Internet Coalition (AIC), which includes Amazon, Apple, Google, Meta, Microsoft, Netflix, and Spotify, are pushing back against these proposals. In their submission to the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, the AIC emphasized the fundamental differences between over the top OTT services and traditional telecom operators. The AIC contends that over the top services, which include many of the services provided by its members, operate fundamentally differently from traditional telecom services. They argue that while telecom operators work at the network layer, OTT services function at the application layer and offer different functionalities such as group chats, voice notes, and in-app content sharing. Unlike TSPs, OTT providers do not have the right to acquire spectrum, obtain numbering resources, or interconnect with the public switched telephone network. The resistance from global technology giants is a direct response to a coordinated effort by India's leading telecom operators, Bharti Airtel, Reliance Jio, and Vodafone Idea, to bring over the top OTT services under a new authorization framework. Reliance Jio, the largest telecom operator in India with over 475 million subscribers, along with other telecom companies, has recommended that OTT providers should contribute to network development costs. This contribution would be based on factors such as their tariff consumption, turnover, and user base. The telecom operators' push for regulatory changes comes amid financial pressures as they struggle with low average revenue per user, which is approximately $2 per month. This financial strain has been exacerbated by their substantial investments in 5G infrastructure, totaling $19 billion last year. By advocating for OTT providers to share the financial burden, the telecom operators aim to improve their margins and secure a more sustainable business model. The global tech giants' resistance highlights the ongoing conflict between traditional telecom operators who are seeking ways to monetize their networks and investments, and OTT service providers who fear that additional regulations and costs could stifle innovation and limit consumer access to affordable digital services. This debate is part of a broader conversation about how to fairly regulate and sustain the rapidly evolving digital ecosystem. Let's look into today's headlines. Critical vulnerability in Microsoft Copilot Studio found by Tenable Research. Tenable has revealed that through the use of a server-side request forgery (SSRF), its Tenable research team was able to uncover a critical information disclosure vulnerability in Microsoft's Copilot Studio. This vulnerability gave researchers access to potentially sensitive data about service internals that could have a cross-tenant impact. This vulnerability results from Copilot Studio's incorrect handling of redirect status codes for user configurable activities. Dassault Systems authorizes Magic Mina with the 3D Experience platform. Dassault Systems revealed that Magic Mina has optimized its design and development processes by implementing the 3D Experience platform on the cloud. Magic Mina is simplifying the design of unmanned aerial vehicles for a variety of applications by utilizing Dassault Systems' industry-leading apps, which are driven by the 3D Experience platform. With the platform's collaboration, design, simulation, and data management environment, product development cycles can be sped up and product quality can be raised. AMD's acquisition of ZT Systems boosts its data center AI systems capabilities. AMD declared the signing of a final contract to buy ZTT Systems, the leading provider of AI infrastructure to the biggest hyperscale computing firms globally. AMD's AI strategy to provide leadership, AI trading, and interference solutions based on innovation across silicon, software, and systems reaches a significant new milestone with this strategic deal. Google AI will recognize lung health issues and tuberculosis from cough sounds. Google and Salsit Technologies, an Indian respiratory healthcare company, have announced their partnership. An artificial intelligence tool called Swasa was created by Salsit to evaluate lung function and analyze cough noises. As a result of this partnership, Swasa will improve the precision of its tuberculosis detection models by utilizing Google's Hear Health Acoustic Representations, a bioacoustic AI model that was made available in March. WhatsApp adds a username PIN to fight against spam. WhatsApp's most recent Android beta version includes a new privacy feature. The goal of the username PIN method is to lower spam messages and improve user security. Users can block message senders based only on their username by enforcing a 4-digit PIN on those who haven't sent them anything before. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.